What are Candida albicans? Candida albicans is a yeast infection that usually starts in the digestive system and gradually spreads to other parts of the body. It is also a type of parasite that is strong, invasive and usually attaches itself to the intestinal wall and becomes a permanent resident of the internal organs. Candida albicans causes countless health problems for a great number of men and women. These health problems may be caused by moderate or severe Candida infection affecting the various parts of their bodies. Candida albicans has the ability to produce 75 toxic substances that can poison the human body. The toxins that are produced by the Candida parasites and contaminate the tissues and weaken the immune system, the glands, the kidneys, the bladder, the lungs, the liver, the brain and then the nervous system. Candida albicans is so invasive that it enters the gastrointestinal wall in the form of fungus where it develops very long, root-like structures that penetrates the wall, breaking down the protective barrier between the intestinal tract and the bloodstream. This breakdown allows the entrance of foreign as well as toxic substances to the bloodstream where they can harm various body systems. The breaking down of the barrier results in some major problems, especially when proteins and other food wastes are not completely digested or removed. There can also be an attack on the immune system that causes severe allergic reactions, fatigue and other health problems. Candida albicans together with some bacteria swimming in the bloodstream is dangerous since it will be able to find its way to other tissues. This can bring you more severe health problems like swelling of joints, chest pain, sinus problems, skin problems, etc. Candida infection may also cause some heart attacks. There are reported cases of people who have never been diagnosed with heart problems, but then die from a heart attack for no apparent reason. Further, investigation has led to surprising findings of Candida yeast causing undiagnosed heart attacks. Candida yeast can cover the heart, which is what causes the heart attack. The Candida yeast reaches the heart by means of the bloodstream. Vaginal yeast infections are more widespread today than ever before and they will never be fully healed unless the yeast is completely eliminated from the intestinal area. Candida may also be transmitted through sexual intercourse. Candidiasis or Candida infection usually interferes with digestion and assimilation of vitamins and minerals. A great number of senior citizens, cancer patients as well as those individuals with HIV are suffering nutritional deficiencies because their body is unable to absorb nutrients from the food that they eat. A great number of people are able to digest only 50% of their food because the Candida parasite is robbing the body of the other 50%. The Candida parasite creates a digestive conflict that creates chaos in the intestine that results in diseases that have left a great number of doctors clueless as to what treatments to recommend. Immunological weaknesses and infectious conditions are usually worsened by the presence of Candida parasites throughout the body. Yeast cell activity gives off two dangerous byproducts, acetaldehyde and ethanol. A great number of people are experiencing iron deficiency due to the presence of Candida. The Candida parasites also prohibits oxygen from entering the tissues. The ethanol that is given off by Candida parasites is the major cause excessive fatigue and reduction of strength and stamina in people infected with Candida. The ethanol likewise destroys enzymes that are needed for providing cells with energy and releases free radicals that hasten the aging process. Please consult your primary care physician for more advice on Candida and potential treatments.